Before the operation, we need to highlight some points. It's important. Relating the safety and machine maintenance. Please take them seriously. Number 1. The machine is with 220 watt 50 Hz. Single phase. Please make sure the input power is qualified and consistent to the machine requirements. Number 2. The P wire must be grounded. Number 3. When the machine is not in using temporarily, please shut down the laser beam immediately. Number 4. It's forbidden to shoot the welding gun to anything alive. Number 5. It's suggested strongly to wear the protective goggles before welding. Number 6. Professionals only. Let's get a brief of the machine operation and we'll introduce them one by one. When we receive the machine, unpack the box, we need to make some simple installations. The fiber wire holder, please find the case and screw it on. It's simple. Then is the wire feeder. We need to put the wire in, get the wire hose connected, and install the wire holder. The hose is right. You can find it inside the feeder together with the power line of the feeder. To connect the wire hose, we just need to do oppositely as the video shows. The way to put the wire in and install the holder, please check the details in the video. But please do choose a suitable wire like 1.0, 1.2, 1.5, stainless steel, iron, or aluminum. Attention! The wire diameter should be the same as the slot size on the ring. Each ring will have two different sizes, like 0.8 and 1.0. You just need to find the correct one to run the wire. The same, the wire nozzle here should also be the same size as the wire diameter. Then we need to connect the data wire to the feeder. It's at the back of the machine and take out the power line, plug it in the cable. Notice 220 volt and 50 Hz. Connect the gas hose. It should be argon or nitrogen, and the pressure should be between 2 to 4 kPa. Then we need add water in the tank. It should be pure water, and the water should reach to the green range. After all those installations, we can connect the power. Is 220 volt 50 Hz. Please get to the correct power and the ground wire should be connected. Turn on the air switch at the back of the machine and then the emergency switch. You can see the chiller is running and check whether the water temperature is more than 20 degrees. If less than 20, please don't turn on the laser power. There will be alarm displaying. Over the period, we can adjust the wire feeder. Turn on the feeder. We don't need to adjust the parameters here. All settled down. What we need to do is to check whether the wire is running automatically. We can click the button here to check whether the wire will go forward. When the temperature is over 20 degrees, we can press the button laser in the PC. It's not okay to weld now. We need to check whether the gas is running normally. When the laser is not enabled, we can press the button here to check whether the gas is blowing out. There should be gas sound. And then we can adjust the parameters. According to customers, only the power needs to be adjusted in most conditions, but it's open for you to try other parameters and check the welding differences. The code for adjusting is the number from 1 to 6. When we finish the parameters, we can enable the laser here. Make the button to blue. The focus position, keep it at 0 will be fine. Please wear the protective glasses. It's important. Now we can try to weld. This is a protective clip. When we weld, we need to clamp it on the welding target and make the tip of the torch nozzle contact with a welding plate so that the stroke can be a closed loop and the laser can emit energy. It will also show in the controller when it's a loop, which we can make the welding successfully. The point here should be a green one. If it's a gray dot, meaning there's not laser beam emitting and welding is not possible. Sometimes we can also put the clip to the wire holder. It will keep the loop enclosed. No need to clamp the clip to the target metal plate, but there will also be some dangers out there. If the welding is not fine, we can repeat to adjust the parameters and then get a better one. If we don't need to weld now temporarily, please do remember to shut down the laser. We can disable the enable button or turn off the laser power.